Hello, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. So this is Jared. And then um, I quickly want to introduce this course to you, WhatsApp Money Secrets. So now the course, it's roughly more than 2 hours course. So that is, it's a full video course. And then there's some text inside each modules. So the first thing is that I want to let you know is that because it's 2 hours course doesn't mean that you should just rush yourself and then you watch everything and then you are overloaded with information. So this is how you do it. Inside these three modules, you see the first module, you see the lessons and then the video class. All right, so the video class now, it covers all of what you see inside the text, inside of this lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3, lesson 4. So you see it inside the video. The video covers all, okay, for module 1. So now this is my recommendation for you. 3 days. You use 3 days to consume this information. Module 1, the first day. Then Module 2, the second day. Now Module 3, the third day. Don't rush it because you're able to watch the 3 modules in a day, which is like more than 2 hours. Doesn't mean that you should do so. Do not overload yourself with information. So you split the class into 3 days. You are in control of this class. Once you create your own account, you have access to your profile and you can check your course and watch it anytime. Okay, so and even when you are done with your course, you can still come back later on. That's the beauty of this course. You can come back maybe in 1 week's time or 1 month's time, in a year's time. You can come back and then you just refresh your memory. Okay, so that is what I want to let you know. Do not rush yourself. Now, watching this one for the first day, module 1. So the thing is that if you want to learn and then you want your learning to be effective, as you are learning, you're putting it into practice. So this module 1 now, everything you'll be learning inside your module 1, you put it into practice. You get your pen and paper right beside you while watching the video. So once you're watching it and then you come across some vital points, you put it down. Now when you get to some parts whereby there are like tasks for you to carry out in order for you to maximize this class, you write it out and then you start to work on it, you start to execute it. So that is why I said that you shouldn't rush the class. Don't rush the class, please. So once you get to that part where I've stated some things for you to do in order to get results, maybe like lead generation, creating your lead magnet, and the rest. Make sure you pause it, you take your pen and paper, and then you write things out. If you want to get results from this class, you need to put what you learn into practice. Okay, so that is that concerning the class. So that is that. And each of the videos, it's above 30 minutes. So that's just that. I don't want this to be too long. So enjoy, and then I wish you success.